Christo Kok from One Energy. We're on the beds of the Vaal Dam, and we just completed a year ago a fantastic installation with 2 times 30 kilowatt Fox inverters with 80 kilowatt Fox battery capacity and 60 kilowatt solar capacity. The client had 3 requests here. He's got Eskom power supply with very high Eskom line cost. And then of course he also wants to be 100% off grid to save him his monthly electricity bill. And then of course security in South Africa is very important, and to maintain his lifestyle and security, this solution will solve all of his problems. We run the generator backup supply as an emergency when it's overcast and when the solar don't supply enough solar for us generation. The generator will automatically kick in, top up the batteries, and the system is 100% off grid. Met all the clients' requirements. We're very happy to have installed the Fox inverters with a 10-year warranty and a swap around warranty to give us the peace of mind to keep our clients 100% happy as well.